Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best eyebrow sticks is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve perfectly shaped and defined eyebrows, especially when preparing for waxing. These specialized sticks are designed to hold hairs in place, ensuring a clean and precise waxing experience that minimizes discomfort and maximizes results, making them a must-have for both at-home grooming and professional salon services. Whether you're a seasoned beauty enthusiast or new to the world of brow maintenance, understanding the nuances of these tools can elevate your entire beauty routine. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit for Women. Introducing the KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit, designed for a smooth and easy hair removal experience. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking for salon-quality results in the comfort of their own home. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll find 14 ounces of high-quality wax beads, applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products for a complete waxing session. Our specially formulated wax is gentle and effective, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable hair removal process without irritation. We've made waxing simple. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through each step for a hassle-free and successful hair removal experience. Achieve silky smooth skin with confidence using this premium waxing solution. It's your go-to for effective and gentle hair removal, anytime you need it. What we like. This is a complete waxing kit designed for beginners. It includes everything you need for a smooth hair removal experience. If you are new to waxing at home and want a foolproof system, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This eyebrow wax stick is perfect for taming unruly brows. It provides a strong hold without feeling sticky or heavy. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a purse or travel bag. Number 4. Whaline 400 PCS Small Wax Sticks. Introducing our pack of 400 small wax sticks, perfect for all your hair removal needs. Each stick is designed for easy and convenient application. Crafted from high-quality wood, these spatulas are smooth and safe for your skin. You can rely on their durability for a comfortable experience. These specially shaped sticks are perfect for removing unwanted hair from eyebrows, face, and other small areas. Achieve smooth skin with ease. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and embarrassment with these useful applicators. They are a must-have for your daily beauty routine. With 400 pieces in each package, you'll have more than enough for extended use. Enjoy a long-lasting supply for all your hair removal needs. What we like. You get a generous pack of 400 wooden wax sticks. They are made of quality wood with a smooth surface. If you need disposable applicators for small areas like eyebrows and want a cost-effective option, this large quantity pack is ideal. What people say. The product is very easy to use and apply. It works great for shaping eyebrows before waxing. The stick is designed to be precise, allowing for clean lines. Number 3. Tress Wellness Premium Splinter-Free Waxing Sticks. Introducing our premium waxing sticks, crafted from high-quality, splinter-free wood. They ensure a smooth and safe hair removal experience, perfect for both home and salon use. These sticks are ideally sized for large areas like legs and arms, as well as delicate areas like the face. Their generous size provides excellent coverage for professional or personal waxing sessions. This set includes 150 premium sticks, perfect for salons or for keeping a well-stocked supply at home. The bulk quantity ensures you always have fresh sticks ready. They are suitable for use with various types of waxes, including both hard and soft waxes. Achieve effective hair removal with ease. Featuring a comfortable, non-slip grip, they offer easy handling and precise control during use. These are essential tools for any esthetician. What we like. These are premium, splinter-free wooden waxing sticks. They are large and suitable for both face and body waxing. If you are looking for a safe, high-quality applicator for larger areas or for professional use, this bulk pack of 150 is a great option. What people say. I like how thick and sturdy they are, plus the value is good for how many you get. They work with any hard wax and you need lots if you do any sort of waxing. They're a great size for waxing smaller areas. They're easy to use and durable. The quality is really good with no loose wood pieces poking out. The sticks are sturdy, smooth, and the perfect size for applying wax evenly without splintering. They work well for facial waxing, brows, and small precise areas, and they hold the wax nicely without bending. Very hygienic and convenient to use. Number 2. Eyxformula 600 PCS Microblading Cotton Swabs. Achieve perfect detail with these lint-free pointed cotton swabs. They are ideal for precise eyeliner and eyebrow mapping, offering a flawless finish for your beauty needs. Ditch flimsy plastic. These 4-inch precision tip cotton swabs are made from durable, FSC certified wood that resists bending and breaking. The sturdy design offers superior control for all your detailed tasks. A must-have for a flawless look. These makeup cotton swabs use a pointy tip to correct mistakes, shape lipstick, and apply glue. Get professional, clean results every time. These tiny cotton swabs excel at fine detail painting, cleaning delicate electronics, and applying glue for crafts. The pointed tips are also essential for tasks requiring reliability. This pack includes 600 high-quality small pointed tip cotton swabs. You'll always be stocked for all your cleanup, touch-ups, crafting, and cleaning needs. What we like. These are precision-tipped cotton swabs on wooden sticks. They are lint-free and offer flawless detail for beauty and crafts. If you need ultimate control for detail tasks like makeup correction, eyebrow mapping, or cleaning small spaces, these are your go-to. What people say. This is a great product for waxing eyebrows. It is easy to use and provides a clean finish. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 1. BLITZWAX Wax Kits. Introducing the BLITZWAX Wax Kits, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results from the comfort of your home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for effective hair removal. It's designed for use on your face, body, and lips, ensuring no area is missed. We've included 120 wooden sticks for easy and hygienic application. Both large and small applicators are provided to suit different areas and preferences. Enhance your waxing experience with 30 wax papers and nourishing oils. These additions help ensure a clean and comfortable hair removal process. Perfect for women seeking a convenient and effective at-home waxing solution. Enjoy salon-quality smoothness without the salon price tag. Get ready to reveal your smoothest skin yet with this easy-to-use waxing kit. It's designed for maximum effectiveness and minimal fuss. What we like. This is a comprehensive waxing kit for at-home hair removal. It includes wooden sticks of various sizes, wax papers, and oils. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for waxing your face, body, or lips at home, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. The sprays really help with the application and leaves the skin soft afterwards. It has a lot of different styles of sticks to use. Wooden waxing sticks work great with my waxing pot, and before and after sprays help with not getting rashes. Definitely worth the buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.